God saw all that he had made, and it was very good. Genesis 1:31.
Welcome to this daily encouragement from Our Daily Bread. The God Who Made It All was written and read by Kirsten Holmberg.
Genesis chapter 1, verses 1 through 8 and 31. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Now the earth was formless and empty. Darkness was over the surface of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. And God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. God saw that the light was good, and he separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. And there was evening, and there was morning, the first day. And God said, "Let there be a vault between the waters to separate water from water." So God made the vault and separated the water under the vault from the water above it. And it was so. God called the vault sky. And there was evening, and there was morning, the second day. And now, verse 31. God saw all that he had made, and it was very good. And there was evening, and there was morning, the sixth day. The God Who Made It All. In 2021, Star Trek actor William Shatner enjoyed the opportunity to be catapulted into space in a rocket capsule. When he later reflected on the voyage, he said everything he had expected about the experience was wrong. He had anticipated the vastness of space would give him a deep sense of connection to all living things. But instead, he felt grief. He found the darkness of space cold and empty, which distilled in him a new awareness of Earth's beauty and fragility. Not many people have ventured into space to have such an experience firsthand. The Bible's account of God's creative work in the cosmos invites us to see it through his eyes. God's first recorded actions were to create the heavens and the earth, bringing order to what was formless and empty, and separating the light from the darkness. The rest of the creation account unfolds all the good things God brought into being, including vegetation, creatures, and, ultimately, his image bearers, humans. While the entirety of creation, even the darkest, farthest reaches of space, reveals God's power and might, we've been given special insight into his work right here on Earth. The beauty that surrounds us beckons us to worship the one who made it all. Let's pray. Father God, thank you. Thank you for making and sustaining the earth and space and all of us who inhabit your creation. We worship you as the creator of it all. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. When has God drawn you to worship him through his creation? For what in creation can you thank him today?
Aspoil kal omongang eng mula viakal mukar al se le korkau. Akal di import en merbelaw au ula batok e viakal mukar se erbelaw elang. Potakarikik kelbekla e dongui wa veit el bal expara akal ngilumer rau eradom ar. Kamsulang.
In In today's digital world, is your business truly secure? A single data breach can erase years of hard work and trust. Don't leave your digital assets vulnerable. This is where Guardian Cyber steps in. As a service-disabled veteran and Palauan-owned small business, we bring discipline, integrity, and excellence to cybersecurity. We partner with you to meet your regulatory or corporate obligations, safeguarding your critical data. At Guardian Cyber, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all. We start by assessing your current data protection posture to recommend tailored solutions that fit your specific business goals and, just as importantly, your budget. Our core competencies include everything from governance, risk, and compliance consulting to incident response and penetration testing. We even specialize in PEP and high-value individual cyber defense. Guardian Cyber is committed to one simple principle: your success is our success.
We are a Palauan-owned business and a responsible member of Palau Pledge, dedicated to environmental conservation through more efficient computing and cybersecurity solutions.
Protect your business, secure your future. To schedule your assessment, call on WhatsApp 680-770-8779 or email at Guardian Cyber. That's Guardian, CYBER 19@gmail.com. This is a public notice from the Bureau of Human Resources. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed bids or proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide CT scan equipment maintenance services for the Palau National Hospital under the Ministry of Health and Human Services. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be funded by local funds. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on November 3rd, 2025. The solicitation and bidding periods shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of the specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-01. Public notice is from October 16th, 2025 through October 31st, 2025. Bidding period will be November 3rd, 2025 through November 18th, 2025. Bids or proposals opening is November 19th, 2025. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmud, Melagyo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org.
Subdra kamaldile la kabrina nginatngir. Tia subdra tobdra ngabuk Emir Marui, adalbarang atibang Ephraim ngina ite, aribo korang rongayang ang ngirang kabur temmeriang, kasual la Florencio adalbay, adar alui Andres Osegda, yobakaribo la Lorenzo ngira molau, marapor wasad Laurentino Long, rakadole la targid la kabrina nginatker em los mera Hawaii, em lama torgok la kamaldile la morngira Friday, November 7, 2025, el dimo mga maldi la madakra Hawaii lo bantrir ngalgil. Malwaisegim subdio ngitar admam ngarang ayangal babal daw orior mayol daw mabomodnge may mdang seu omudrudo da morning Friday October 31 2025 naldimorabli la Clement Paulinus ngaratapsay orior agi direkalo aiset mo Clement Paulinus maadalbarang atibang Ephraim ngira ite amomrael morhawara Sunday November 2 2025 magikmalol ngitar baby ngamam maradmam marangal matrigen mo sabin may mdang seu lumudula si sel ngal suwid ilbolola ba Clement Paulinus maadalbarang atibang Ephraim ngira ite el mortel gamaldi ra Hawaii kopmal masulang i adios lobangedrogoy Sign Book Emir Marui.
This is a public notice from the Bureau of Human Resources. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed bids or proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide MRI equipment maintenance and repair services for the Palau National Hospital under the Ministry of Health and Human Services. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be funded by local funds. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on November 3rd, 2025. The solicitation and bidding periods shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on Palau Gov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-02. Public notice is from October 16th, 2025 through October 31st, 2025. Bidding period is November 3rd, 2025 through November 18th, 2025. Bid or proposals opening November 19th, 2025. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury, at the Finance Building in Koror, or the Executive Building in Ngurulmud, Melageo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org.
Subdra Gamaldin Maldado Ramlen Ulbal Yugiwo et Pisong. Tia Subdra Gamaldin Maldado Ramlen Ulbal Yugiwo et Pisong. Loltob Dringen Ulbay Galistus Nirturong. Sarmidal Jeffrey Olgaril. Matkula Udul Bormental Tul. Almararol Edamam Ragamaldilel Ma Aldado. Ranulbay Yugiwo et Pisong. Tia Gamaldin Ma Aldado Amla Motorok Morning Friday, October 31, 2025. Okade Matalgap Singil Ontru Ilbuil Longayim Lurior. El di morning ng Argayay Community Center ay Malik State. Lomu oratru klora tutol e mora gedra talial chils. Magim subdra bebir kamam ra magim gawadalad. El kirel tel gamaldin maldadu. El kmomeim dali midgaing seu. Magim subdra tirgagid el adamam magim gawgablil. Mangania dirungul bay saryang timul mangalgel. Drangalgel amne dirungul bay dangle et pisong. Rawai singit sigisaka sa mangalgel. Drangalgel asigang tolmers. Drangalgel amne dirungul bay riong iratmap. Rangalgel akalip olgaril, rangalgel abina et pisong, rangalgel ayuge et pisong, rangalgel amne dirungul bay erdol ngirturong, mangalgel dirungul bay galistus ngirturong mangalgel, dirungul bay saryang timul mangalgel, rigel nakamura mangalgel, madangalyang raklay mangalgel, leilani raklay mangalgel, rangalgel abasilius mesol, rangalgel amne rungul bay berigul ngir ulbat, mangalgel tareng zumay mangalgel, rangalgel usi berigul, rangalgel adilisa de berigul makreos, talto berigul, rangalgel angir babul ngir ulbat, ngarnya Ernest ngir babul Marabin ngir babul rangalgel sikse ngir ulbat malgarbes sikse marngalgel rangalgel agadmang haruo rangalgel ngir ulbat sikse oidudul sikse marngalgel rangalgel masahiro sikse rangalgel masami sikse marngalgel masako sikse rangalgel malchol ngir ulbat raibu malchol marngalgel taw malchor irei marngalgel rangalgel areng ol oral raalit kasuyugi rang ol marngalgel marur rudul rabab rang ol marngalgel rangalgel markungail oral raribak aknis markungail marngalgel dilyab markungail blanca markungail marngalgel rangalgel arolmi obak ma madray gigang leri mamis marbibiringi endi mion girgalaw madichon olgril marngalgel nganian rangalgel akloldir aged ragu kumay umayam marngalgel ongalib marngalgel limasang aged marngalgel adblu madray saur aged marngalgel chan badray aged glendar aged nganian rangalgel osaw ngir hotel rawiliander hotel marngalgel machong hotel nganian rangalgel asikyang besel ad rangalgel angarmot besel ad rangalgel ayorong besel ad marngalgel motol besel ad nganian rangalgel dir rabab mangayolt ralaw isidoro ilamlong marngalgel elang ilamlong marngalgel tarmaw haim marbibiringi marngalgil nganian rangalgel arubiyang iru ulbad ngara rangalgel aiban rubiyang ma elma rubiyang marngalgel rangalgel amne rungul bay yalab radir rairung omdi rungul solada marbibiringi rangalgel ngalgela igisang teltul ra odal adulay teltul simer ngedrong teltul at kula udul dormen teltul tilden tudong teltul kaniya ngalgela katosang ngiro albadra nigi katosang marbibirkaw kaniya ngalgela smesang ratwaw ra adalayan ringang Sandra Henry masem ratwaw kaniya ngalgela yob ra yung Benjamin yob masub ra bibirkaw mo meim kang seu marangalgela talmatang marangalgela ngira itay ngas pusu de meim kang seu ngira kabo Andres ki moltur ra el mer ngalgem mga sugmam agidira kam sub ra ma odal ad meim da alim kang seu oligor kaswal senator Cuarte ma odal ad de la model masub ra bibirkaw meim kang seu ngira ongor rigi mo ol masub ra bibirkaw e meim kang seu tel albul agidira kam sub ra spesung la ngira laong ma odal ra itrir mga pusu de meim kang seu Dira kal spadala ngira tangadik Wilbert ngira kamrang meim da kang seu agi dira kal musubdra odal adar malong al bigi kanay mar mga saude po rugma meim da kang seu tel bul dira kal musubdra adal balurior ma odal ad kubari ngira igalaw ul meim da kang seu agi dira kal musubdra ngal gila takadasang al meim da kang seu ngira awishur kanay mga sude meim da alim da kang seu tel bul yablilio agi musubdra ngul Eric Saburo o ngaim Jackson ngira ngas rugobay may mirmali ngam tiu haim regisiwang al meim da kang seu tel bul yang ayaw agi musubdra ngol yusim moy ong im Captain Arvin Raymond rogobay sanayet ti moy ong etiu Hector tatingal kmamim kang sir tel bul agidire kam subdra ramur rangul masahiro madil sa Raimul Gloria Meriang makamril mosubdra ngal gemim kang seu korro kuye belilay na stasyo ko malesli belilay adatchi e meim dalim kang sir tel bul Lawrence katbangang mosubdra adat ngal gilawin ti magenti meim kang seu dire kal subda mor trigel admam regal qablil al bulduk glorio kmamim kang sir tel bul ma orioring spadalay Dul mabilong dir uldak Gloria Sali mar uldak libuit litler yang ramlongo ang spadala ngir turong chansong yamal kung mamim da kang seo da alim tel bul ngarolong spadala ongor ete Matias Erbay ma odal other tel bul oriora kim subdra mamang rego mamim da kang seo tel bul kidrang subdra senator Hokons Paules mangir etet Nobertiano kung mamim da masubdra dad emim da alim tel bul oling spadala klol olablu mi wata ali dong masubdra dad emim da kang seo kidrang subdra gol MSF Salvador Remote subdra bibir gaw mim dang iseu yang esareng spadala ngira gabaw Andres Madraisaw mawadalat agidire kam subdra wel ramadorm de may obak ra marwong mosubdra dadrongal mim dang iseu klem ngatela subda ul mabola kalmdong klem ebo madangil modqawad mim dang iseu dire kalmal tokal sang mabola kalsab ml ndi ngil basul edit galat krang lunguwa agikmal merenga suli roguya robakal dios lo ngid roguy sai nerungul bay galistus ngit turong Tia subdra kodal lol top dengar kamsik iget Shalom et pisong matulik Alfonso Diaz el subdra ngalgela ibsang maray may gisil el kmarungul ba yugiwo et pisong ngalgela amler kamsik liget et pisong lebsang amla mosmer amaldil amla motrok kalma October 31 2025 alnya Friday el sil sel dimorngi community center ray malig magyol ngitra rogul at mel almol mut October 29 2025 yang mga ablagatliul momsanga odala dibu malsol ang bodla esel sil ser October 9 2025 Wednesday at 6 p.m. emera ba el gedr ang bodla madwesa ablagatli dagat maklid morgamaldil mga ramida gim subdra kamiu Mardar darar agara ingir ora ala de bistam treng usia Watanabe evil tulik edit develbot ngalom sa France Marcela tam treng motor romogot bani miong kuito Beverly miong sandario Richard Rulo the Harry Temael Michael Temael singing of France Serek France madrigal togobet sel subda mor lul targong Elis odalat tutog niralmau ebira iblaw enita Edward adib Elis madras skelsol Darius Elis bagay Elis masariang adalbay Warswick ngas pusub de meim dang seu Argaswala gim subdra Rosania Tagawo, Valeria Brel, Lynn Alonso, Darlene Tagawo, Paul Tagawo, Rangsul Brel, Chamila Brel, Grace Brel, Kadwin Brel, Fedias Brel, Kaylin Brel, Charles Brel, Madrigal ngalgela late Adang Brel, Rates Brel, Adriglo Sisil Subdamra Lilian Marcil, Ananias Toribiyong, Magent Moore, Codines Ngilti, Franz Ngilti, Lorang Ngilti, Franning Ngilti Oitrong, Mosudra Bekalab, Emim Drangseu. Madrigalo Sisil Subdamra Evangelin Ol Asanuma, Mangalgel Ratomoko Asanuma. Ngarbod lagim subdra kamil Josefa Malsol diraday sets ko ingas dalbadal baulong Alfonso Bleso Merlin Malsol direy Miriam Ewat al Apolonia ngir eol Chinet Malsol ngir ungel Anching ngas humiwo Maylin ngir yung Gabriel Wendy baulong Kimberly Gintarodme Metia Kimia ngir eol Sumor Tayen ngir eol Maylin Laura direy Welia Olbangla Gintaro Masami Emilia ngir eol Isamay Alfia Alfonso Josephine Ngalu ngir almaw puanani ngilalmaw, analip ngangal dongokla, meangalil eila asuma malsol, Maya Malia Dirangas Gabriel, Lin Marep, Yoskoy Desmang, Lucy Desmang, Madrigal Mor Alfonso Ngirungay, Madrainglay Chimichonas, Marep Ngiralmaw, Sisinyo Hideo, Unamakal Ngiralmaw, Charlie Ngiralmaw, Osamu Malsol Ngireol, Fraser Bauloong, Russ Alfonso, Jason Ochebrel, Ferris Bauloong, Victor Radning Ngira Ariang Riirey, Brian Ngiralmaw, Allen Ngiralmaw, Joey Hubio, Chama Madrangasmos Ngiralmaw, Benedict Desmang, Stevie Desmang, Thy Wolf Gentaro, Danny Hubrit, Mamrep Ngirbotreng. Madrigal Subdan Mor Anabel Harias, Dong Ngiraibab Along, Ngatwat Ngiraibab, Ongukul Ngiraibab, Yasko Ngiraibab, Beling Ngiraibab, Kaspasub de Lodos, Emim Nakaingiseu. Madrigal Sisul Subdan Mor Anaemi et Pisong Yob, Rosemary et Pisong Ngiratreg, Geisia et Pisong Nicoles, Chemaima et Pisong Finnegan, Tirasnges, Karen et Pisong Maidesil, Carol et Pisong Tele, Tafok et Pisong, Skras et Pisong, Mangaleel et Pisong, Iged et Pisong Alkmo, Kaspasub de Lo Ademertial Lamadong Sil, Semadakaingiseu. Agdir Lulturgal, Warmersay, Presley et Tibek, Mangalgem na Selvi et Tibek, Lamay mga sumam. Ngarbeda Gim Subdragal Dirat Abo et Lavern Merep, Masigang Antonio, Remeldil Singewo, Inglay Alexander, Ngotel Wehara, Ma Idirir Wehara. Miyun sa gimsubdar kamiu libu at tomoichi, ulay tomoichi, ma edwin tomoichi, kaspasubdar lo ade may nakangisiw at alim mertial albul. Madakop malmasulang yerbakal Dios, pola makaltangat rigidrokuy, et yang aspadelanges, ura kamaldilel, arungol bay yugiwo et pisong, el moringi na community center ay maligir October 31, 2025. Hindi rekal diulat klat, kalmararbek kaladal diwala bablakatirin, mamsang awadal adibu umalsol, ng herbodala, el almulmutur October 29, 2025, SLC sila 6 p.m. medapura bailged ng herbodala, مدوسة غتموك لبلاطلت المرغم الديل ساين رغمسيك إيجات شالوم اتبسون مع توليك ألفونسو دياس
تيال سوبد المولر رينغ سرنجي أدياغل سبدل ما دياغل تجينجل مالوب إنول تسويل أدياس برودكاستين كامباني تيان أسبديرار آدلول التوب درنجي إهارا أورنجي كوه مال مسولان
subdragamal dilel alidiar clay. Tia subdragamal dilo al top dringay badura lay Robert Tuti, rideb ogadat itong, ubday Valentino Cloulat, ngira yobay bailuy ngira tregde, adal belu Damian Nibalas, ma ebira lay Mariarur, al morarogul adri ragayuk lumadas padal, el kmotar gidra lidiar clay, al ngalgel agring al yang talkiay mar clay, am los mercer October 7, 2025. Mapatngilang nga morgim lamotrok kul morgi agamal dilel October 31, 2025 long imlurior Friday. Agamal di di morgi Santos por half funeral home ngarang at kibrayray lomura 9 a.m. ratutaw mo 1 p.m. Ito din mamadakro ulgul rabis aradal ngarang ulong. Mang ayang aling spadal ang gurur Jose Yao amo subdar ad marangal kami mdakang isir tel albula. Ngalong ekspadal adal baray may resyong may adal barat tablang chansong iraylilda ebiray may idorwam arurang dil moyway simeng akuan ebirat tablang ferista basebs mosubdar ad marangal kami gidel tel albula. Direkal spadal ang yang rimir mosubdar ad marangal ka Ruat Paulinas kang marmaringel Henry Ewatal Maribal Ewatal Chan Ewatal mosubdar ad marangal kami mdakang iseu. Obak Lorenzo ngiram molaw Machustina and Thomas mosubdar ad marangal kami mdakang iseu. Direkal spadal abadura barak Florencio Madam Ebira Barak Valentina Artruy Haperskang posubdar ad marangal kami mdakang iseu. Ebir Esebres warang ulit Felix Targong Inglors Way Julia Sugi mosubdar ad marangal kami mdakang iseu tel albul. Direkal spadal ang iro itolok Mike Rangu langira barak the Chak Rangu li adra klub the hitor Rangu Mary Irey Nancy Rangu ma armaringel mosubdar ngal kami da limit tel albul. Direkal spadal de Skim Tuti ma Iris Tuti Oteo Tuti Miranda Tuti ma Loyoladi sangabaw mosubdar ad marangal kami mdakang iseu. Direkal spadal Erina Marciana Maharu Itstelmatang Yusim Sato Matsko Sato marbibiringi mosubdar ad marangal kami mdakang iseu tel albul. Tinay Targong Jesse Lilaw Jeffrey Targong Masesti Ngiraw Maanchelo Pangalinan may mdakang iseu tel albul. Direkal spadal Basilias Kiwo Siskas Kiwo Makinli Singeo Sheila Nirmot Reagan Remote mosubdar ad marangal kami mdakang iseu. Jesse Targong, Osmond Targong, Sandra Targong, Ngirablaw Sambal, Patrick Aribok marbibiringi, may mdakang isir telbul. Direkal spadal abadur elgang Wilhelm Remote, maibir elgang Hanaingais, mosubdar ad marangal kami mdakang iseu. Direkal spadal Sandra Tulmaw Matemayat Lolat, mosubdar ad marangal kami mdakang isir telbul. Direkal spadal Albinati Marong, ma Faustina Armaro maruk mosub darangal game dakaing sirtel albul ngarar deng spadala ngira obisur ganay mosub dar ad marangal direk spadala or sad laurentino long ma festa long mem dakaing sirtel albul ngit ob hideos Lisa hideos Lali hideos Artin hideos Chairman hideos Leleng Miguel Yob Kathy Francisco Maui Miguel mosub dar ad marangal game dakaing sirtel albul ngiwaleng spadala ngal gilaging sangira prak marangal gila hideo tarong adagal rulugot ma Isabela ngibang mosub dar ad marangal ayra eng spadala awad Adriana ilus mat adib walistus ilus mosub dar ad marangal gilel tel albul direk spadala ngal gila Yonat Rangura Cristina Arsenio ma Church Rangul ma Rachel Makassar at pangeng spadala Marta itong mosub dar ad marangal game dakaing sirtel albul Aram nunguing spadal ngal birale Maria Ru Raul Tur Raul Mitsko France molmen ngal game na dilia France o leo marbebiringi migim ali migim ngai sirtel albul Orion spadala Hermans Francisco dir uldak o ob getting iragid protegil Hermana Siro dir ragarno nalawi irabadel meluet metu las sagawang Steven Kiota mosub dar ad marangal gilel tel albul dir spadala Lester Ur Tobet spadal ebirale amora marin giratrang ekmolmen ngal game na rent teruo material teruo migim sirtel albul Direk togobet spadala ebirale Maria Ro or mora si orak mabasilas kras mim dakaing sirtel albul Liliwang spadala alo adil sepsis edala Roman ridep mosub dar ad marangal Mercy sim samar bibinengi mim dakaing sirtel albul Klamang tela suda ulm trigel mlodiam dong clear bolsebel mim dakaing sirtel albul Kopmal musulang imbuto ka masang maser mabulakal sabi malmay dito kalat karang lunguwa Tia subdra godalo top dringa ding ilius sichin mehara krai kam sekchin madir turong hiogosong yama el subdra kamil gaw adal gire las el la vila targidra milang bonigasio bon abordong Abil rally diar klay abordong am los mer sera Tuesday October 7 2025 la motorgo kol motodrong im luriol logdei matal gapsingil el along truil buila Friday October 31 2025 reo tiuklora tugitaw 9 am al dimora palau funeral home and chapel ngarangat kibra blu raiday emong dil mosuel matedo at 12:30 pm utod el mamadakra blu long Magim subder tigel adamam beduk lang clear mal maim da alim da ging sirtel al dadu togobet spedela ding elius yuchin mehara madir turong hirogo sungyama amora ibdul mabilung gloria sali maim da kasues edging sirtel al dadu togobet spedela ding elius amora nginay galaw Francisco Cisco Gibon sumamiraer yurigo materni irol nga bang Gregorio Grek ngirmang adal baratang alensid dira prak elisita more mosudra bebin ngamiu marangal emim da kasues edging sirtel al dadu ayliak spedela dir turong hirogo yama am subdragol odal attaga qoruluda evilt at pospicentagalu may marangalgiu marbebir kami may dagang iseu ngagaldir turong adiregal subdram lei baulina toy natsko adalbay ngiragarkur madiragarkur nonalui lili ludong waisang mariur Abraham Ngirios dramli Fritz marangalgil aduluta mosubdra bebir kami may dagang iseu tel aldadu agim subdra ngalgila Yosebara Natalia Oskelin Jennifer Oskelin Gibons marangalgila nanot tellei marangalgila Madeol Robert Talo itop Marbo marangalgila Tobias Marbo rakonti Marbo maalan Marbo mosubdra bebir kami marangal ge meim dalim dagang iseu agdiregal mosubdra ngalgila motil masisyor lautangal meim dalim dagang iseu mayra gim subdra tadim kalistus raksid wadal adra malgi renailu semihina besrak Sandre Melwat Christina Melwat Churcha Melwat Besti Miller Antonia Borja Marchi Dalton Roberta Albelau de Vitor Ibiong Historia Borja Mayolani Temong mumgas pasubde meim dalim dagang iseu tel dadu agdiregal mosubdra Milan Bonigasio Bon Abrodong Rosela Ubday Masami Vasquana Suzuki Lazarena Yosinawot Matul Jennifer Songyama Alen Suzuki Alex Suzuki Ralph Ubday mosubdra bebir kami marangal ge meim dalim dagang iseu tel aldadu agdiregal mosubdra igalaw ngiradong sa dana kapagol Martina Roberto marangalgel Madal Sarceloel Charlene Santos ubat ngir omlay kamsig Cherry at Pisong Kayla Ciro Benjamin Yusi Donatus Yupa Ongrong Gladys Francisco Maberna Francisco Ngirakasil Francisco laging iradong sa Bailey Theodore Burley Theodore Casey Ciro Viven Sabal Igen Wehara si Che Ciro Roboong Maadalbay at Pisong mosubdar bebir kami umarangal ke meim dalim idakang sirtel aldadu o si sulso damrangir etet Nobertiano Migo Graciano Mudulong Salvador Sado Itelams Romaniano mamungtangan kaspasubde meim dakasues edalim idakang sirtel aldadu agidire kam subdra adiras amlay umagat alteruo hilariang idaibu Marciana Obiang Dirmaduliang Katarina Teley mosubda ergaul ob adraw elio sabet isamu Malinda Edwin kaspasubde meim dalim idakang iseu togobetses padama mara Helen Borja ito ma Anastasia Kiguharu meim dagang iseu ngakalding lius yuchin wehara karai gam sekchin madir turong hiroko sungyama malmere ngasuli olengit mne rogui mata alim mata kaingiseu ertial aldado rabila milang bonigasyo pon aprodong adios lo makal tanga tergid rogui ko malmsulang sai na digilius yuchin wehara karai gam sekchin madir turong hiroko sungyama tia subdrol to derngia gikrel tadib timoting dimau odal adra urbau ina santos ngiripkal diripkal hiroko sungyama mewang rungulbay wong tur rungulbay may bduraidong adolf tomei ilmsubdrol Kaw adal girelas arila bila targidra milang bonigasyo bon abrodong abil ralidia raklay abrodong am los mersera Tuesday October 7 2025 mabangil ang aramor game la motro kul motodro ngem lurior logode matal kapsingil ela longtro ilbuilo Friday October 31 2025 etiuklo artutaw 9 am aldimara pala funeral home and chapel ngarang kibra blue rairay emang maldil moswel matedob at 12:30 pm emutto del mamadak rablu ngarlong magim subdrar bekal gawada ladak malungitel mo meim dal mingi targidra milang bonigasyo bon abrodong marangaligel ertial obrado klingiter regal ngar alsel umdig maldili el dadu rosi sulsils magip malungit madibom kaltmok kulgirel el dadu ma orgera gim subdrar gal ngir etet no vertiano migo graciano President Trasenet, Senator Hocons Paules, Mudlong Salvador Sadoy Telams, Romaniano, Masabrina Osile, Eulingit Mosubdrabek Dad Marangal, and Maim the Alimertial Dadu. Togobets Pedela Dripkal Hirogo Sunyama, Amoray Adribugol Kionisal, Mabekal Dil, Cuyeblela Anastasio, Eulingit Mosubrangal Ganaribugul, Maim the Alimertial Dadu. Togobets Pedela Dripkal Hirogo Sunyama, Morarimu Dominican Oriak, Matarangira Diribugol, Miriam Misal, Eulingit Maim the Alimertial Dadu. Abilio Gim Subdral Obak Lol Pire Napoleon, Dilpak Vedor ngingat bak number ta Napoleon maong etiu Margaret Ichiro mosubdar adad marangal gemeim dalim dagang gisir tel dadu ya togobet spedela drip kaliro gosungyama amora ebiledil Caroline nagamura takada bangina aget yugi wodngok lama Senator Siegfried Chigo nagamura mosubdar bebir gamiu marangal ge dalim dagang gisir tel dadu agidire gal mosubdar ngal gelaw eriang blesam rabaskon arngul mahulda blesam Henry blesam mosubdar bebir gamiu emailo ad dalim dartel albul osisi ul subdar al dadu amora along San Osbal, Madil sa along Roriaki Kuo, Mosubra adat marangal ge maim da alim da kang isurtel al dadu. Ayra iliak kal spadela gigaril tadib maodal adra urbaw ine Santos Amora Teresa ililaw, maodar riu agmur ililaw, eolengit Mosubra bebir gamiyo maim da alim da kang isurtel al dadu. Tirigalaw si sul spadela gigaril tadib maodal adra urbaw ine Santos Amora tadib kalistus titus raksid, maudal adar malgi renailus tirut arar ngamril madlarak mosubdar adad mangal ge mehim dalim dang iseur tel dadu ay miliga gem subdral ur ermelek lateru worngulbay mosubdar bek adad mangal ge mehim dalim dang iseur tel dadu ya ilaq spadel ge garel tadib maudal adra urbaw ine Santos amborar ngalge ladirat maleu makasong eolingit mukasubdal ade mehim dalim dang iseur tel dadu agidire gem subdar ngal gangirip kalek mehim dalim tel dadu magim subdar diras adu Rose Joseph Dirangar kabay Paula Kumangay, Chewin Philip, Pascuana Flowers, Yura May, Julia Ringang, Lucia Santos, Jennifer Sungyama, Dana Gibbons, Telma Bells, Lazarinat Mutul, Melanie Ringang, Vivian Teleng, Dr. Luisa Santos, Leola Tuelbang, Rosela Masami, Lorraine Diraibu May, Claudia Rivera, Tiffany Rivera, Rowena Uday, Nadia Bonifacio, Dira Asbar, Karen Obiang, Flavin Tuelbang, Alex Susugi, Jenson Demay, Tabay Sumang, Steven Sungyama, Antonio Borja, Benari Gibbons, Raymond Gingalwong, Leaf Obrodong, Mariano Borja, Ralph Ubaday, at Togobets Pedal Gigarel Tadim, Maudal Adra Urbaw, Ine Santos, Amara Isidora, Olgaril, Embigong Iramrang, Marciana Midar, Magarson Olgaril, Mosubra Ngalgiw, Mim Dalim Dang Sir Tel Dadu. Togobets Pedal Madrid Almurang Algila Rungulbay, Radira Kaltalyab, the Mangur Msiol, Mewang Rungulbay, Wong Tu Rungulbay, At Pangs Karunor Rungulbay, Johannes Rungulbay, Solomon Rungulbay, Marmurang Rungulbay, Bosubra Ngalgiw, Mim Dalim Dang Sir Tel Dadu. Komal Masulang, Yados Rolmol, Malmingatigai Gergi, the Lomakal Tangatrigi Rogui. Sain, Gigrel Tadip, Timoting Dimau, Odaladra Urbaw in Santos, Madripkal, Hirogosonyama. Ti osisi ulsubdra al dadu ulal tawdanyar dialul alonskiota ngingat kabuy hiop uro ilapsis Vincent ito algirela al dadu rabi ila targid ramilang abrodong ilang algela oktamle ramler dialul abrodong olodasang rablar esuro irairay tial al dadu al namotrok kulmorngin October 31 2025 longim nurior ultimo banggel nakamaldi lal morngin Santos Borja Funeral Home and Chapel Malawaise iagim subdra kamul bebir kamam mardamam regal belu mamugtakang aloyti tal sangmiyo meim da almangi yadang aswirang kal targid milang abrodong or tialo brado al sungul mangar along agim subdra ibdura barak Florencio Yamada me ebira barak Valentina Bares ngira kasaw mosubdra bekkel ngal ngemim dalim da ngiseu a olagim subdra ngal gilangin ngamius tangati ramle di rasir sa kliw yuri mosubdra bebir gaw marangal ngemim dalim da ngiseu iwalagim subdra ngal gila ke truth puro marangal gilam lengin ngat kabuy doong wasay ranoway doong Marichel Ayr Dialul barbibirtir marangal gilam le dil kabuy to Masa Marsay marangal gilam ner Dialul Gabriel Rongul marangal gilam le ebir rulod kiari melil marangal gila dira ete ito kas pasubdra ko emim dalim da ngiseu malgayo agim subdra rulod Marcelo ngirglaw ebir rulod Naomi bi uegi dira 3 Miriam Johannes marbibiringi dira dalbo takla godep marbibiringi kas pasubdra emim dalim da ngiseu agi dira subdra ngal gilam le odel atos ko sebal tradilik rebe go ngir maat marbibiringi marangal gila ngira ula do ubal tele ratchulita magamtawal bentele marbibirtir marangal gila ngira kakal makreo srang tibulu el mamadra orgong ngira molaw marbibirtir kas pasubdra emim dalim da ngiseu ngesaragim subdra ngal gila ana ngir kalaw marakolas martaba ngal birano ngir kalaw marbibirtir marangal gila masyo ngira ngayang radil tapra Margaret marbad robam masyo marbibirtir kas pasubdra emim dalim da ngiseu ngarsula gyol turgro bagar mo sidni echi madir gawis Marcelina Argenti Melmea Petrus Telmong marangal gila aldabe ra rapkaw Cecilia aldabe pakwista tamasi marbibirtir marangal gila ngira almutra Romana Masarius marbibirtir marangal gila estsay Telmong rakabang malme migim alim migim mga ngiseu ayragim subra dir Clarissa Ilong R. Herman mara poikrul dasmay dang marbibirtir rangal gila mle dil isik rahana maora alngiro ulbad marangal gir Moira Madani mar asuma marbibirtir agidire ngal subra ngal gila mastang marangal gila ongolungula marangal gila ngir Festina Wasisang marangal gila Rigel Masahiro marbibirtir yolingit tungas pasubra ko yemim dalim da ngiseu atogobet sa spedam mam subra ngal gila mler dialul ngira molaw ngal gila blud rangal gila rambiang rangal gila paloy marangal gila bod yolingit tungas pasubra ko ngal gal esuroy parmosabir lemim dalim da ngasuir atargid ramilang abrodong ortelo bradal al sungul magim subra arbdura tablak Marino Thomas mosubra ngal gila rimat sebal marangal gila talaw diratyo sebal marangal gila ngul tangadigir ong eim ngira kasaw ngul marbibingi gas pasubra ko yemim dalim da ngiseu ngam nungwegim subra ngira sibong Lakis Malsol Kyokorgin Magrete Williams obat maireng Malsol mosubra ngal yemim dalim da ngiseu kat pangagim subra rubeng Hiromina Bayama madingal de el qorang irblugu madeliget Francisca Otong rablar etet mosubra adad marangal yemim dalim da ngiseu Oriora game subra ngal gila brereng Stella Kiota ngal gila Veronica Kasuma ngal gila Susana Sikyang ngal gila Bibianau Erbelaw ngal gila Santos Ngodri ra odal adra Urbaw Ines mangira moy Adelino Santos marbibirtir ngal gila Mlegoy Benjamin Mersay ra Rosemary M Olgrin marbibiringi ngal gila Otiwi ngirdongol ra Maong Mabarbrina ngal gila Ingrakli Emiliano ra Elias Masalvador marbibirtir ngal gila Aloysius Asumara Alfred Malvira ngal gila Kasolay Reblu ra Dililaw Siska Kasaguma Marcela Imatengel marbibirtir marangal gila Gabriela ngirmang ra ngirasu Gregorio Masita en Morey marbibirtir marangal gila Moses Mogol ra Dr. ngira Isaw Mogol marangal gila Mae Ratao ra Agiuldegal marbibiringi marangal gila Mlir Dialul obrodong ra Milang maodal ra Gata obrodong marbibirtir kaspuso de mim dalim da ngiseu agidre kom sobdra ibudur ra idong Adolf Tamay mosubdra ngal gila diramgar obrodong Tamay mim dalim da ngiseu karkabsang agim subdra Abay Lorenzo Katosang madilo dilang Edwin Katosang bosubra adat marangal koro dilang imeim dalim da ngiseu madang mal musulang rogoy eded kausing Erisel Sils ramasang October 31 2025 long him lurior Friday Halloween signed Dialul Alonso Kiota
Tial subdel mulla reng stringi adiagal spedel madiagal tigingel malub engul deswela dias broadcasting company tiang aspedirar adlul top dengi haraorngi ko mal mesulang
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello Palau, this is Diaz Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PTST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
Tired of that city life? Looking for a place that's quiet at night? Well, look no further. Diaz Apartments are now for rent. 1 and 2 bedrooms are available in the safety and security of the Hilltop in Gurmid, located on the outskirts of Orior. Call 488-5771 to schedule a viewing today.
Diaz Apartment, the right place for you. WWFM is owned and operated by DS Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngermith Hamlet, broadcasting on two different frequencies, 88.5 MHz and 89.5 MHz 24/7. With a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter, WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Ali ngariya malor udu subde de hatemem mun mera radio station mada gulngit mamay gim sukaw makot egdilu si aspren eloya asel phone mal open den wargaw e waisen muk ngomur oingrang e momrekor oingrang etela times ratal si se sign ringi esendringil either moya ka fax mora 4884420 malub ke sendringi loya ka email mora wwfmpalau@gmail.com ega mama recordringi erulia invoice sendringi le korkau e auriul ega meharau ali malia moves loya de wargau le chosperingi elo aisergau maloba ngania harmam raspedem e aki call segi the number e mga do garau era ki bomre kimru raspedem ko mal sulang.
Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in DS Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube. WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours.
Oisine. What do you mean, Oisine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island Beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
Becoming more dangerous. I'm Paul Stevens, Fox News. Hurricane Melissa strengthening to a major Category 4 storm, threatening catastrophic flooding in the northern Caribbean, and it's expected to gain even more strength.
We've got a dire scenario here on the great island nation of Jamaica. About 3 million residents and about 1 million here in Kingston. The clouds and the outer bands beginning to come in. We've had some rain this morning, no winds. We are at a Category 4 storm at this point. Expected landfall tomorrow night to the west of where we're at in Kingston. Also expected this storm to blow up into a Category 5. That's as serious as it gets. Other issues that are going to go on here, catastrophic flooding, over 2 feet of rain that could fall, last-minute preparations by the people here in many of the community stores that are boarded up, restaurants, hotels, all boarded up, and officials monitoring, because what we are going to experience is going to be historic here in Jamaica for modern times.
Fox Weather's Robert Ray on the scene. French authorities say they have suspects in custody in connection with that daring heist at the Louvre in Paris last weekend.
2 of the potentially 4 suspects are in custody, and the race is still on to find these stolen French crown jewels before it's too late, before they're destroyed and melted down. Now, the Paris prosecutor's office said investigators made the arrest last night, adding that one of the men taken into custody was preparing to leave the country from Paris's Charles de Gaulle Airport. La Parisian newspaper says the 2 men are in their 30s and originally from a suburb north of Paris. Harris. Of course, this all started last Sunday, just after the Louvre Museum had opened. The suspects used a basket lift to gain access to the Apollo Gallery, where they cut through a window with power tools.
Fox's Stephanie Bennett. America's listening to Fox News. Is a political comeback in store for former Vice President and 2024 Democratic White House nominee Kamala Harris? A new interview holds some clues.
This is possibly the strongest hint that Kamala Harris might run again. Take a listen to what she said in her BBC interview.
Have you made a decision yet?
No, I have not.
But you say in your book, I'm not done.
That is correct. I am not done. I have lived my entire career a life of service, and it's in my bones. And there are many ways to serve. I have not decided yet what I will do in the future beyond what I am doing right now.
Harris has been on tour promoting her book 107 Days, which details her brief failed presidential campaign. Harris's campaign spent $1.5 billion during her short 15-week run for president last year, and she still lost to Donald Trump in every single swing state. And again, despite her loss, Harris is indicating in that BBC interview that she might throw her hat in the ring again.
And that's Fox's Christina Coleman. President Trump currently in Asia, where he is expected to sit down with China's President Xi Jinping later on in the week.
President Trump's visit with Chinese President Xi Jinping later this week looms large over his first trip to the Far East since returning to the White House. For days here on the ground in Malaysia, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and Trump's top trade rep Jameson Greer have been meeting with Chinese officials, and the Treasury Secretary announcing that a new framework agreement has been reached with China over rare earth minerals that will void Trump's 100% tariffs against China. Here was President Trump earlier.
I think we're going to have a good deal with China, and they want to make a deal, and we want to make a deal.
Now, President Trump began his first trip to the Far East as part of a three-nation tour.
Fox's Lucas Tomlinson in Malaysia. Earlier today, Mr. Trump overseeing a ceasefire signed between Cambodia and Thailand. I'm Paul Stevens, and this is Fox News.